Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you what I have here today. This is a whiskey glass in like the nicest box I've seen. Okay, so this is it here. I did already open it, but we're gonna open it again. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. Look at how pretty this is. It comes with a little card so you could write it out to somebody. So if you wanted to get it for a gift, I wouldn't mind getting it for a gift. Here's instructions on how to do it all. Basically, pour your whiskey and enjoy it. It's well packed in the foam, but this is the nice glass. Look how pretty this is. Very nice whiskey glass. So it gives you, it's gonna be one of those ones that, that doesn't tip over, but it's gonna, does that. It comes with a little bag for whiskey stones, and the whiskey stones aren't right in here right now because I put them in the freezer because that's what you're supposed to do with them. And then you have your little tongs here to mess with the stones and stuff. So I guess the way it would work is we will take our stones, which I took out of the freezer here, and you put the stones in your whiskey glass. Look how pretty this is here. You know what? I haven't washed this glass. Let me just rinse it out real quick. Pretend like it's super clean, and I'm gonna drink some whiskey. I guess the whiskey is gonna pretty much burn off all the bad stuff anyway. Now my whiskey stones aren't gonna be as cold. But okay, so then I have some whiskey here, some stuff. Is it screw top? It is. And we have different types here, but we'll do this thing a try. So you put a little bit in here over your frozen rocks, and get a nice little, swirl around, and it smells like apple whiskey. It does smell like apples. That's pretty good. Okay, so here we go. Here goes nothing. I'm not a whiskey connoisseur or anything. I don't know much about it. That's delicious. I don't know much about whiskey, but I know I like that. I have no idea what any of the differences are, the different kinds, but I like the flavored stuff, so that's kind of what this one is. So that's why I like this one. But this is delicious. I like it. So this is a great little set here, and comes in this beautiful box. So it's good for a gift and stuff like that. It's like a burnt wood box. Definitely wood. Really pretty. I like it. And you got your little tongs and the ice stones and the stone little bag. So you just stick the little bag in the freezer, so it's just always ready to go. So I like it. Thumbs up.